Hi guys, so now I'm gonna help you to review the previous lesson. Now listen and repeat after me. Behind, behind, behind. In front of, in front of, in front of. Next to, next to, next to. Between, between, between. Now guys, let's say aloud all the words. Good. Behind. In front of. Next to. Between. Okay, now let's move on part 2. Listen and sing. Where is my teddy bear? Where is my teddy bear? Where is he? Where is my teddy bear? I can't find him anywhere. I can't find him anywhere. Look behind the bedroom door. Look behind the bedroom door. Is he hiding there? Is he hiding there? Look behind the bedroom door. I can't find him anywhere. I can't find him anywhere. Look in front of the sofa. Look in front of the sofa. Is he hiding there? Is he hiding there? Look in front of the sofa. Look in front of the sofa. I can't find him anywhere. I can't find him anywhere. Look between the bed and the chair. Look between the bed and the chair. Is he hiding there? Is he hiding there? Look between the bed and the chair. I can't find him anywhere. I can't find him anywhere. Look next to the big toy box. Look next to the big toy box. Is he hiding there? Look next to the big toy box. Yes, my teddy is hiding there. Yes, my teddy is hiding there. Ok, các bạn hãy bật video của giờ nhiều lần và chúng ta luyện đọc bài hát rồi nhé. Chuyển sang bài về. Bài về thì nội dung bài về các bạn đều đọc được hết rồi đúng không ạ? Thì bây giờ sẽ giúp các bạn ôn lại một số cái từ mà buổi trước chúng ta đã học liên quan đến các nguyên âm chúng ta đã học, đó là nguyên âm a, nguyên âm e và nguyên âm i, nguyên âm o và nguyên âm a. Ok, so now listen. Cat, van, pig, bat, bin, fig, fig, bin, mop, mop, dog, dog, bus, 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 truck, truck, truck. Okay, that's all for today. Các bạn hãy ghi âm trả bài cho cô giáo nhé. Bye bye guys.